Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Vaibhav Kapoor. I'll be taking you through the disease of anal fissure today. So I'll be discussing about what is anal fissure and its management. So we'll first start with the basics of it. I'll first explain you what is actually anal fissure. Okay, so this is our food pipe, which is called as the esophagus. This is the stomach. Post it comes the small intestine. This rotates, it becomes the large intestine, and we pass motion like this. So this area of the body, the terminal portion, is called as our anal canal. So we are going to discuss about this area. We are going to make it big. So now this is our anal canal. Now this is the external opening. So it is circular. This is the external opening. 3 centimeters inside the anal canal there are anal cushions, and they receive their blood supply from all the areas. This is the lining epithelium of the anal canal. Any tear in the lining epithelium is called as a fissure. So basically, if this is your anus, any cut in the anal area is basically called as a fissure. Okay, so this fissure appears as this. So because of constipation, because of irregular bowel, because of smoking, because of alcohol, or because of eating too much of oily food, spicy food, heavy foods, eating too much of junk, it can lead to constipation. And the problem of anal fissure can develop. So most of the times when you have a cut like this, so even if you take any kind of medications, be it allopathic, be it homeopathic, be it ayurvedic, or you do nothing, the body has its own mechanism to heal it. So the fissure heals on its own and you become normal. So few weeks go by, few months go by, there is absolutely no problem. One fine day you again have constipation and again you feel there is a cut in the anal epithelium. So again the body has its own mechanism to heal it, or you apply certain kinds of ointment and it becomes normal. So this process repeats again. Gradually what happens is your anal tone shrinks. So the normal diameter of the anus, which can easily take in 1.5 fingers, becomes so tight that even if you pass stools, it pains. So what happens is that when it heals with shrinkage. So your normal anal tone, when there is a cut, it should heal like this, but it shrinks, it becomes tight, it further shrinks, so now the external opening becomes so tight that every time you pass motion, it's gonna pain. So this is basically anal fissure. Now what symptoms do you have? First symptom which you have is pain. So you experience pain when you pass motion, or post motion it remains for an hour or so. Secondly, it can sometimes cause fresh bleeding in the rectum. So you will often feel that you've passed some fresh blood when you pass motion along with pain. Thirdly, since it's an open cut, it will lead to itching or irritation in that area. So you often feel that it itches after some time when you pass motion. So this cut is basically anal fissure.